I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Search and select WS Form. To integrate the WS Form, go to the WS Form and navigate to the action. To add a new action, click on the plus icon and give it a meaningful name. Choose action. Choose type. Give here a hook tag. So go to the integration site. Under the note, copy the hook tag, then paste it on the WS Form. Save and close it. Now go to your integration site and choose a form. Next. Now select Action. Academy LMS. Connect. Next. Choose an Actions. Choose Course. Here are some advanced features in conditional logic. You can use it for your own requirement. Next. Finish and save it. Go to your Academy LMS dashboard and you can see here I have already enrolled 3 students in the courses. Now go to your other logged-in user. Let's submit a form. Click on Send Message. Go to your course page and you can see that enrolled successfully here. Now go to your Academy LMS dashboard. And you can see that another student added to the enrolled course. Go to Student. Here you can see the data came successfully in the Academy LMS. Thanks for watching.